Well, hello everyone. I thought I'd make this video as a trailer for my YouTube channel and store to expand a little bit about me and also where Tyrell Models sort of came from. I think often many of the stores in our hobby don't really have a human face, and I want to change that. So many of my tools and model demonstrations moving forward, you maybe see a bit more of me and maybe a bit less of my disembodied hands, and I hope that's not too scary for you all. My name is David Howell. I'm a freelance writer, journalist, and broadcaster. But as you can probably see behind me, I'm also a model maker, and this is my dedicated workshop. After a long period away from modeling, I returned to the hobby about 2 years ago, or thereabouts. As I got back into the hobby, I could see that there were masses of products and tools that had become available since I was last modeling. Many of these products were difficult to get hold of in the UK. So I took some time to see if I could bring any of them into the UK for me. And then I started to think, well, if they're useful for me, maybe they could be useful for other modelers as well. Having run my writing business for over 40 years, I'm always looking for a business opportunity. And frankly, I really couldn't help myself but look at model making as it was today as a possible business opportunity. And the Tyrell Models store is the result. If you go over to the store itself, if you look at the toolbar, you'll see that there are basically a number of departments within the Tyrell Models store. First is the figures and the models. I'm the UK distributor for Alternity Miniatures, SSR models, and HD models, to name but a few. The main department, of course, is the tools section. As I said, when I got back into the hobby, I was astonished, frankly, at the range and diversity of tools which I'd never seen before. Many of the tools, again, I couldn't get in the UK very easily, which is why I started Tyrell Models to really bring those to UK model makers like you and I. The third aspect of Tyrell Models is the original tools I'm developing. The first was the workstation. When I was younger, I didn't have a dedicated space for my modelling. All I had, in effect, was a tea tray and a shoebox, which I had to put away when I was finished. I couldn't leave these things out. I think that was really still the case for a lot of modelers, which is why I created the workstation, and that's sold all over the world to modelers who want to create a dedicated space for for their hobby. I'm also developing several new products that will fill gaps in what I see in the tool set for modelers, and they'll be released over the next coming months and even years, as many are in different stages of planning. Best way to keep up to date with those is to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So I'll be posting lots of videos which show these tools in development. So if you want to keep up to date, hit that subscribe button. So that's me, and that's Tyrell Models. I'd like to thank you all personally, really, for making a purchase on my store, and also the overwhelmingly positive comments and support you've shown me over the years. That's really humbling. So again, many thanks to every one of you that's really helped my store, and also got in touch. And I would reiterate, do get in touch. Email me with maybe what kind of modeling do you do, and if my tools are helping you to make your models easier, more accuracy, maybe better, whatever. Lastly, I also always attend the Scale Model World event at the Telford Convention Centre each year. So if you are coming this year, or indeed any other year, please do come over. Come and visit me at my table. It would be great to see you all. So I said, stay tuned for new tool developments and also whatever else is changing on the channel. So hit that subscribe button if you could. As always, with the end of most of my videos, I always say if you've any questions, any queries, do get in touch. So that's me. That's Tyrell Models. Many thanks, and I'll see you again soon. Keep on modeling.